Introduction. Welcome back to King Bike. Today, we're taking a look at the Hero Splendor Plus, one of the most trusted and best-selling commuter motorcycles. Known for its fuel efficiency, low maintenance, and dependable performance, the Splendor Plus continues to be a favorite among daily riders. Design and styling. The Hero Splendor Plus features a simple yet attractive design. With its classic body graphics, comfortable seat, and practical build quality, the bike is designed for everyday use. Its lightweight structure makes it easy to handle in city traffic. Engine and performance. Powering the Splendor Plus is a 97.2 cubic centimeters air-cooled single-cylinder engine that delivers smooth and reliable performance. The engine is paired with a 4-speed gearbox, offering a comfortable riding experience for daily commuting and short-distance travel. Mileage and comfort. One of the biggest strengths of the Splendor Plus is its excellent fuel economy. The bike is known for delivering impressive mileage, making it an economical choice for riders. Its upright riding position, soft seat, and suspension setup ensure a comfortable journey on city roads. Features and safety. The Hero Splendor Plus comes with practical features such as i3S technology, an analog instrument cluster, alloy wheels, and tubeless